Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add Discord audio to your OBS studio. Let's begin. First, open up your OBS, and in this section, you will see the audio settings or audio mixer. So by default, we have the desktop audio. We can unmute or mute this. If we're going to mute this, it will automatically capture all of your application audios. That includes Discord itself. However, just to ensure that we only need to capture Discord audio, there's another method. You can click over here, the plus icon, application audio, then just type any name, for example, Discord, or I'm just going to put letter D on it. Click on OK. Now on the window, we need to select Discord. Now, if you don't find Discord in your options over here on the drop down, you actually need to open Discord client first. All right. So open it up. Once done, go back over here, and then you should have this option, discord.exe. Click on it, choose OK. And now we have our Discord audio right over here. Now you can then modify these settings such as the volume. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.